Hi, today I have a lot of storybooks. First one, Little Red Hen. Second one, The Inner Mouse Turnip. Third one, Three Billy Goats Craft. Fourth one, Cinderella. Today my story is Cinderella. First I introduce characters of the stories. Here, first stepsister, second stepsister, stepmother, Cinderella and her shoe, castle, fairy godmother. Okay, now we are going to read first page. Here, Cinderella lived with her stepmother and stepsisters. Cinderella's stepmother and stepsisters made Cinderella clean the house. Second page. One day there was a ball at the castle. What is the ball? Ball is a dancing ceremony. Can I go to the ball? Said Cinderella. No, said her stepsisters. You do not have a dress, said the first stepsister. You do not have any shoes, said the second stepsister. A fairy godmother came to Cinderella's house. She made Cinderella a beautiful dress and some beautiful shoes. Can you see? Dress and shoes. Cinderella put on her beautiful dress. She put on her beautiful shoes. Now I can go to the ball, she said. The prince danced with Cinderella. After the ball, the prince found Cinderella's shoes. I will marry the girl who will fit this shoe, he said. The prince came to Cinderella's house. Here. Is this your shoe? He said. Yes, this is my shoe, said the first stepsister. But the shoe did not fit. Is this your shoe? Said the prince. Yes, this is my shoe, said the second stepsister. But the shoe did not fit. Is this your shoe? Said the prince. Yes, said Cinderella. She put on the shoe and it fit. Will you marry me? Said the prince. Yes, said Cinderella. So she did. Here, darling, the prince and princess. Okay, now end of my story. Now you can, my babies, you read it, these books in your home. See you later. Bye.